Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this dollhouse bathroom. Start by covering a piece of foam board in contact paper, cut out a small rectangle and use thin foam board strips to hide the edges. Now make a shower door using a sheet of clear PET plastic and more foam board. I'm using a lollipop stick and a piece of wire to make a shower head. If you would like to know all the materials that I used, you can find them listed in the info box. And for those who want to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, there is also a link that you can follow. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!